Hi everyone, welcome to the video. So the objectives of this video are to learn about concentration cells and then stress concentration cells. Okay, so a concentration cell is very similar to the galvanic cells that we were looking at in the previous video, but in this case, the current is generated by the difference in chemical concentration of the reactants. So whereas before we were looking at the different reactivity of two different elements, as you'll see from this picture here, this little simplified picture, that we have iron and iron on both sides. So what's going to cause the voltage difference across the two different terminals, which is then going to lead to generating a current? Well, in this case, like we said, it's going to be the difference in the chemical concentration of the reactives. Okay, so what we mean by that is the environment it's in. So let's say we have these two iron bars here, and we have on the left side, the element is in a low oxygen concentration. And then as you can probably guess, on the right side, we're going to have a high O2 concentration. So what's going to happen in this case? Well, the whole cell is going to act by diluting the more concentrated side, and then also vice versa, so by concentrating the more diluted side. So electrons are going to transfer from the cell with the lower concentration to the cell with the higher concentration. So the current flow is going to be in this direction, so that way. So that means, if you remember from the video before, well, this is going to be acting on the left side here as the anode,